Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide blue ticks in WhatsApp app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. And let's get started, friends. So, as you can see these blue check marks underneath the posts. And what do they mean anyway? They mean that your post has been read. Or if those blue ticks are under someone else's post, then other people can see that you've read their message. But what if you don't want other people to see, for example, that you have read their message and you would like to remove such blue ticks, adding more privacy to the use of WhatsApp? Then this is very easy to do, friends. For this, you will need to open the WhatsApp app, then go to Settings, and then in the Settings, select Privacy. Then scroll down a little bit. And here you can find this option Read and Received, which means that you have read or someone has read the message. To disable this feature, you just had to click on it. This way, no one else using WhatsApp will be able to see if you have read the messages. But in the same way, you won't be able to see if your conversation partner has read a message from you either. But let me tell you right away that this rule does not apply to group chat in WhatsApp. This is the very quick, simple way you can easily remove the blue check marks in WhatsApp. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write your comments and put likes. Take care, friends.